How do they get chicken wings in the soup? That was a fun little stop.
Yeah, nice little music.
We're standing on the edge of the Badlands. Today starts 2 days of travel from New Hampshire across Vermont into upstate New York, where we'll stay at 2 unique harvest hosts.
Howdy from the White Mountains.
We've got about a little over 200-mile journey today. Right now we're on the interstate for maybe 20 miles, but a lot of the day is going to be on country roads, traveling
Up the mountain.
Yep, through up and then down. You'll even find there's some of those what do they call, the truck getaway things as we head downward on Route 9. Those escape lanes.
Well, we got 5 hours of driving today. It actually feels good to sit down in the seat for a little bit after 10 plus hours on the pickleball court for the last 3 days.
Yeah, look at the scenery. I don't know if I can change the view. We are really in the green mountains. It's lush. The sky is so blue. Dellavale Farm is a raw milk supplier to Cabot Creamery. They have a dairy herd of 46 cows. After being greeted by the friendly farm dogs, Terry gave us a full tour of the barn and we met all of the farm animals. As a thank you for our stay, we purchased a variety of Cabot products which they had available.
Valley, upstate New York. We had a nice little stay at a harvesthost last night at a farm. They sell all their milk to Cabot cheeses. What's the name of that company?
Cabot Creamery, I think.
Cabot Creamery, okay. It was a nice little stay, just off the thruway. It was cool enough. We didn't need any air conditioning. It was nice.
Well, it's a beautiful scenic drive and good weather. It should be a bit easier drive because
definitely goes around, right? This one?
We're sitting here at Danny's South in Orchard Park, New York, in the shadow of the Buffalo Bills Stadium. So we're trying a local delicacy.
Actually, it's only sold here.
Oh, it's only sold here. It's the chicken
Buffalo
wing.
Buffalo chicken wing soup.
Buffalo chicken wing soup.
All right, this is gonna be the first bite.
Everybody knows the rules. Oop. It looks super tomatoey, and so
No,
I
it's,
want.
it's
what
buffalo-y.
What I want to know is, how do they get chicken wings in the soup? So what is buffalo meat? Is it like
Buffalo sauce.
okay? Buffalo sauce. Is that like a sriracha or just like tomato or?
Hot sauce and butter.
It certainly is.
Exactly what it is.
But where's the chicken wings?
That's
I
it.
still want
Right
to
in.
know.
Right here.
That looks like a carrot. That's chicken? Okay.
I think so. I know they keep the lights down so you can't tell what it is.
In any event, it is very tasty. It certainly has some spice.
Spice, definitely. I like it.
We also tried the chicken wings and the beef on weck. All good. Charlie was able to get a few shots of the new Buffalo Bills Stadium before security stopped him. That's our tale of two hosts, both great options for an overnight stay. Next stop, Sandusky, Ohio. Keep watching for our next video.